is Rail Productions, and today I'm going to do a review on my NERF Star Wars Stormtrooper pistol. So this is the Stormtrooper pistol, and I see this black here. I put that on just because it looks cool, and it has like this suppressor like tip thing here. It's not an actual suppressor, it's just for looks, like it doesn't go all the way through. And there's a tactical rail up here, and there's like, you might think this part here is a jam door, but it isn't. You can't open it up. And here's like the orange trigger, and it says Star Wars there. So to prime it, you have to pull it down and then like fire. And I really like it how it's white here, like a Stormtrooper blaster. And then it has some grey here. And it's really comfortable, which is quite good. And when I use this, it shoots really far. And it also comes with this like sight thing here. It's not really a good sight at all, as you can see. I don't use it, so I just wouldn't use it because it's not very good. It comes with these 3 Star Wars red darts, and they're really cool because like the tip of them is this weird plastic, and it's actually clear, the tips, as you can see, like that. And on the dart, it says Star Wars, and it has like this symbol, and it says NERF and a symbol. So now we'll have a look at the firing test. So I'm just going to have 3 shots. So as you can see, it's pretty powerful. So as you just saw, the darts were really powerful when they shot out of the barrel, and it goes quite far, the bullet. This is Rail Productions, signing off.